Kũrũmĩrĩra wagagu wa wagi wa njanjo gũkũ bũrũrinĩ, rĩu Mĩnĩsta wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Aden Duale augĩte bũrũri nĩ ũrĩkĩtie kũgũra njanjo cia polio na BCG na iria cigũkorwo cigĩkinya gũkũ bũrũrinĩ gatagatĩ ka mweri ũkĩte.
The only two vaccines that I have a problem with is BCG and polio. We have paid, we are working with UNICEF. We still have some stock, but a stock that will cover for us for another 8 months will arrive on the 15th of June. We have over 30 young children in our country who are not going to hospital to access the required vaccines. And I have taken that initiative myself with the county governments and governors. We will look for those children. All our children must be vaccinated. That is the commitment I want to make to the people of Kenya.
Na kũrũmĩrĩra kũrengwo kwa bajeti ya Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, Duale augĩte nĩ marambĩka mĩario na Ministry ya kĩgĩna nĩgetha gũtigĩrĩra motungata ma bata matigatharario nĩ wagi wa mbeca.
But these cuts are what we are negotiating with the National Treasury, and I'm sure when the minister reads the budget on the 12th of June, you will see the numbers. Critical services within our health sector will be funded.
Mĩnĩsta ũyũ acerete thibitarĩ-inĩ ũyũ wa KU thutha waguo gũthĩnja na gũcenjia arwaru erĩ higo kwa rita rĩa mbere.
We are going to hand over certificates of recognition to our nurses. Our nurses who had participated in the first kidney transplant in this hospital. It is the Nurses Week. We appreciate all our nurses, but today we are giving a special recognition to our nurses that participated in the first kidney transplant.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Inoro TV thibitarĩ-inĩ wa KU na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.